Namaskar. My name is King Chiranjeevi Pandit. I'm the father of the mentee Isha Bharati Pandit, who has been associated with Wate Havuk program of Hemath for the past 11 weeks. I want to express my deepest regards to the team Hemath and its team of mentors of Wate Havuk for their efforts to actually show the way to our daughters, which has been a great boon for them to work harder in a right way to achieve their desired goals. My special thanks to Asha Wazirji, the mentor of my daughter, for helping Isha in this wonderful journey and being a constant support and anchor of her dreams by showing tremendous enthusiasm, optimism, and determination to lead Isha to her goals and for providing her a new level of confidence to lead a successful life ahead. I hope Team Hemath will continue to guide my daughter Isha Bharti in future also till she achieves her desired goals so that she too gives back the Hemath to other daughters and sons by becoming a Vathavuk like you in future. My sincere thanks to Shakun Malik ji and her team for organizing such a wonderful course for our children and regards to all of you. Mahadev bless Team Hemath. Namaskar.
I am Asha Wazir, one of the mentors of Wate Havuk, a program I am very proud to have been associated with. We commenced our pilot program on 18th September, where modalities of the program were explained to the selected mentees and their expectations deliberated upon. Having formulated a common platform, we had one-to-one mentor-mentee sessions for 12 weeks, during which we first got to know each other, then discussed mentees' strengths, weaknesses, goals, etc. Thereafter, we reviewed and updated their resumes as well as their LinkedIn profiles. With passage of each week, we developed methods to carry out defined activities, monitored these activities, analyzed benefits accrued, and then, if required, made updations and adjustments. And now, I am very happy to state that at the end of 12 weeks, we have been able to provide a definite direction to the mentees towards their long-term goal. Additionally, the transformation of these mentees into more mature and responsible young women was very evident. Wate Havuk channelized their energies and they emerged stronger and surer of themselves. With that, I would like to laud Hemath's wonderful initiative of Wate Havuk. It is said that morning shows the day, and after being an integral part of the first batch of mentors, I feel that this initiative will go a long way in helping, inspiring, empowering, and enabling Kashmiri Pandit women. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone. I'm Joshina Ganju Kaul and I feel fortunate to be one of the first mentees of Wate Havuk program by Hemath. My expectation from the program was to have a career development plan in place in terms of my professional growth and achieving my personal goals. My experience with the program has been amazing. It has proven to be a game changer for me. I've been able to know my strengths, realize my potential, and reflect upon my weaknesses to work upon. I have been able to clearly focus with much clarity on my short-term and long-term goals, and I've already started achieving them. By virtue of being associated with this program, I have realized the importance of having a mentor in one's life. A mentor has that ability, that vision to see the talent and potential within a mentee, and a mentor brings out the best out of him or her. And to the audience of Hemath, I would like to say that this is an amazing golden opportunity for the girls of our community to upskill themselves and refine themselves under the guidance of global accomplished Kashmiri Pandit women. And I would also like to request more women leaders from our community to come forward and join hands with this thoughtful Hemath program and help in upliftment of the daughters of our community. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank everyone from Hemath team to all mentors and wish the fellow mentees best of luck. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Hello, Namaskar. I'm Anupam Raina. I'm a Kashmiri Pandit housewife. I'm residing in Udhampur right now. मैं कैसे हिम्मत ग्रुप के साथ जुड़ी वॉज थ्रू माई मदर। मेरी मॉम ने मुझे मोटिवेट किया टू जॉइन दिस ग्रुप। उसके बाद मेरा फर्स्ट सेशन हुआ विद हिम्मत टीम, और वहाँ से मुझे पता चला कि they are guiding us in uplifting and making our goals, giving directions to us how can we overcome our issues. Yeah, how come we start over again if you want to start. They help us, they guide us, they give us knowledge and platform, you can say. After that, I will say I'm so thankful to Sharda ma'am. I'm so thankful to my mentor Divya ma'am. So thankful to Jyotsna for helping me in making my LinkedIn profile. I'm thankful to Neelam ma'am for giving me counseling, which I needed very much. I'm thankful to every Hemath team member who help anyone over there or everyone so that they can achieve their dreams. They can be focused. They can have their goals. I'm so thankful I joined this group and I overcome all the things I was lacking behind. Thank you. Namaskar.
Hello everyone, my name is Isha Bharti. I'm a Wate Havuk mentee and I would like to share my experience with the program. My 12 weeks as a mentee and being guided by such an incredible team of successful leading icons in their own fields was absolutely phenomenal. Right before I joined the program and was being interviewed by my current mentor, Miss Asha Wazir ma'am, I knew this was the right place I came to seek guidance for my goals. She had so much faith in me from the beginning, and her words filled me with huge enthusiasm, encouragement, and positivity, which in turn raised my confidence to new heights. During these weeks, I have seen tremendous growth in my productivity and enthusiasm towards reaching my dreams. With the help and blessings of the Hemath team, I have begun my coaching classes to clear the NET exam and I have been diligently studying to make my dreams come true. My takeaway from this program is that I have found myself more dedicated and motivated towards reaching my goals, and all thanks to my mentor and the entire team for organizing such an event, which has surely made me optimistic about my future. Also, I would like to thank the entire Hemath team for launching a program where Kashmiri women can seek guidance and upskill themselves under the supervision of highly established global leaders. And a special thanks to all the mentors who took time out of their busy lives to illuminate the lives of Kashmiri women by leading and guiding us with this project. My message to the audience is to support the Hemath organization in whatever way they can, so that more and more Kashmiri women get benefited from this program, as our collective strength can do wonders and change the destiny of many of our daughters and our community, because her strength is our strength. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jyoti from Jagdi. When I joined with Hawk, I accept for myself learn and be independent would be that with Hawk will help me open doors to new opportunities and to ensure a security for a better future for myself. I'm very thankful to Mrs. Shobita ma'am who always taught me a lot, and always thankful to whole Wathawk team who always guiding me. I'm so lucky that I got the Wathawk feed who always helped me. I will tell everyone join the Wathawk and learn new things related to your field. Once again, I'm very thankful to whole Wathawk team. Thank you so much.
Hi folks, my name is Shweta and I feel so lucky to be a part of you all. Honestly, I had just one expectation when I was on my way to join this program, and it was to learn as much as possible and enhance my knowledge. My experience of participating in this program was, of course, overwhelming, and one key takeaway from this program is to help as many people as I can, as you never know who is waiting for your help and how it can change someone's life. I am definitely going to create awareness about this program. I will suggest to all the people who I know to participate in this program. A big thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Megha Pandita. I am a mentee from Wate Havuk. So firstly, I want to tell about my expectations. My expectations were that I could learn new things. I interact with people, learn new things from them, and I am very thankful to hold the team of Vathauk and my mentor Miss Megha Cole. She teaches me a lot, and it helped me a lot to grow personally and professionally. I want to give this message to every woman that they should join this platform and learn something new and raise their confidence level. Thank you so much. And in last, I want to thank all the team of Vathauk. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Surinder from Sharda Colony Batoli, Jammu. I'm one of the mentee of Vathauk team, and as you know, the Vathauk means the person or a guide who shows you the right path, and that's the reason why I have joined the Vathauk team. And I would like to say thank you to my mom-in-law who actually motivated me to join this group. And I would say a special thank you to Shakun ma'am, Sharda ma'am, and Anila ma'am, of course. Thank you ma'am for mentoring me and showing me the right path. Thank you for supporting me in my life, and thank you for supporting my business also. And thank you so much for helping me, for understanding my problems, and also to solve them quickly. And I would like to say thank you to Anjali ma'am, Sunita ma'am for polishing my LinkedIn profile, and thank you so much my co-mentees for supporting my business. And at last, I would like to say thank you so much Sanjay sir and the whole graphics team for creating such a lovely and wonderful advertisement for my business. And thank you Equit Foundation for providing me the platform where I can share the my advertisement on that. And thank you Shokun man once again for creating such a lovely platform and initiative for the Kashmiri displaced women. Thank you so much. Namaskar.